Mong bản thân bà chúc mọi người Việt Nam mình luôn luôn
Last week we started to study present perfect tense, and we just I just explained to you the auxiliary verbs of present perfect tense and how we structure how we make the sentences in present perfect tense. Today we are going to talk about when we use present perfect tense. Before we do, we just refresh our mind. What is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense also described by simple tense, simple past tense, which covers now. It connects past actions with now by the time expressions ever, never, just, already, since, and for. Auxiliary verbs of present perfect tense are have and has. Have is used with I, you, we, they. Has is used for he, she, it. And after these auxiliary verbs, always the third form of the main verb comes. Third form of the main verb comes, or in the other words, past participle form of main verb comes. I have gone. Gone is the past participle form of go. Go, went, gone. They played. Played is the third form of the main verb. Play is a regular verb. Play, present one. Played, past form. And played, past participle form. We are going to use the played. And when we use present perfect tense, we use present perfect tense to talk about personal experiences by using ever and never. If you look at this example, have you ever used a computer? Have you ever used a computer? In this group, the important things whether we do something in our life or not. When we do it is not important. Whether we do or not is important. Have you ever used a computer? It means in your life, before now, did you use computer? This it means. And we have two answers to these questions. Yes, I have used computers a few times. No, I haven't ever used computers, or I have never used computers. Now, if you look at that, we have two no answers, negative answers. And in the first answer, we use ever and use not. I haven't ever used computers. In the second answer, we use never, but we didn't use not. Can anybody tell me what is the reason for that, for this? Why when we use ever, why we use I haven't, but when we use never, we just make the sentence positive. Is there anybody can tell me why is the reason for this? No answer? Okay, I'll just tell you. Never means not after ever. Not plus ever. If you remember, to make a sentence negative, we always put not after the auxiliary verb. I haven't ever used in computers, but in never, not is already in the word, so we don't use not again. We make the sentence positive and never make the sentence negative. In the second usage, recent past actions with just, yet, and already. If you look at these examples, the plane has just landed. What it means, the plane has just landed. It is at the airport now. It is at the airport now. This is what it means. The plane has just landed. It is at the airport at the present time. And the passengers are getting off the plane. He hasn't done his homework yet. What it means, the homework is not ready. Homework is not ready. He's still doing the homework, or he didn't start doing the homework. He hasn't done his homework yet. Homework is not ready. If you look at the third group, the actions started in the past and continue now. I have lived in Australia for 7 years. I have lived in Australia since 2010. What it means that I am still in Australia. I am still in Australia. This is what it means. I'm still in Australia. And the difference between for and since, after since, a beginning of the period comes, or a time point comes. Since 2000. After the for, a period comes, for 7 years. If you just interpret these sentences, I can just write this. I came to Australia. I came to Australia in 2010 and I am still in Australia. These both sentences are the same meaning. I came to Australia in 2010 and still I am in Australia. Have you got any questions?
Sita.